In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a product on Gumroad. First, open Gumroad in your browser and log into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, go to the product section from the left sidebar. Here you will see all the products available in your store. Now locate the product you want to duplicate. Next to the product, click the three dots menu to open more options. From the drop-down menu, select Duplicate. Gumroad will automatically create a copy of the product with the same title, description, pricing, files, images, and other settings. After the duplicate is created, you can open the copied product and customize it however you want. For example, you can change the product title, update the price, replace files, upload new cover images, or edit the description. This is useful when creating different versions of the same product, seasonal editions, bundles, or products in multiple formats like PDF or EPUB. Once you finish editing the duplicated product, click Save and Continue at the top right corner of the page. If you want the copied product to go live, click Publish. And that's how to duplicate a product on Gumroad. Thanks for watching and goodbye.